Hello, class. Today we are going to make an All About Me project using Microsoft Publisher. The first thing you'll need to do is download the template from my website. Click on the picture. A new window will appear. Click Yes, and click Download. Click Open. The first thing I will do is save my work. I'm going to go to File, Save As. Going to go to My Computer, and then find your student folder. Your student folder will have your number on it. My student folder has my name on it, but yours will have your student ID number. Double click on that. The bottom, you need to title your work. I'm going to title this All About Me. And then click Save. Now that I've saved my work, I'm going to get started. The first thing I want to do is insert a picture that represents me in the middle rectangle. To insert a picture, you can go to Insert, Picture, Clip Art, or you can click this little picture icon, picture frame, and click on Clip Art. Okay, since I am a boy, I want a picture of a boy. Okay, here we go. I clicked on the picture that I wanted. And now what I do is I use these little dots to resize my picture. I need it much smaller. Perfect. The next thing I need to do is put my name in that same box. So I'm going to click this little icon right here as the letter A, and I'm going to insert some word art. Now I get to choose the style of my word art. I think I'll choose this style, click OK, or you can double click it. And now I'm going to type my name. Josh, capital J, of course. And I'm going to move it, and I could also resize it, make it bigger or smaller. Okay. Now, in the first box, it says age. What I'd like you to do is find a picture that shows your age. You could also use numbers. And down here, I'd like you to write a couple sentences about your age. So, for me, I will type, and I'm having a hard time seeing, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click View. I'm going to go Zoom, and I'm going to zoom in so I can see that box a little bit better. That's much better. Okay. I'm going to write, I am 27 years old. My birthday is in October. Okay. Now for my picture, I'm just going to have choose word art again. I think I'll choose this one, and I am going to click 27. There we go. Okay, for my family. Again, I'm going to type a couple sentences and insert clip art that has to do with my family. For my friends, the same. Type a couple sentences and insert clip art that has to do with your friends. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 boxes. Okay. For my movie, let's say that I chose, I'll say my favorite. Oh, by the way, if you type and you see a red line under the word, that means that your word is spelled incorrectly. If you want to spell that word correctly, you can right-click on the mouse and find the correct spelling of the word. Favorite. My favorite movie is Shrek. It is a funny movie about and ogre. Okay, now if I type Shrek in my clip art over here, I'm probably not going to find anything because Microsoft Publisher doesn't have Shrek clip art. If I want to find Shrek clip art, then what I need to do is go to Safe Search using Kidrex. It's on the Go Holly Ridge website right under the All About Me template. Click on that picture and Kidrex will open up. And now I'm going to type in Shrek. Make sure you spell it correctly. Click enter and here's my search. Okay, right away I see a little picture. I'm going to click on that website, IMDb. I know that's a good website. Hopefully that will give me a picture. And look at here, I have a little picture. That is just perfect. Now to get that picture from the website, I right-click with my mouse and I click copy on this copy menu. Then I go to my, down here to my task pane, to my All About Me project, and I right-click on my movies and I click paste. And my picture appeared. Now I'm just going to resize my picture. I'm ready to go. So if you cannot find the picture in clip art, you can use Kidrex. That's the search tool that we'll use today. Okay. I wanted to show you one more thing. You can change a couple things in here. The All About Me title, I really don't like rainbow color, so I'm going to click on that title, and I'm going to click this first little icon. It's actually not the first one, but it looks like a little calendar. It says Word Art Gallery. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to change it. I think I will change it to green. Click OK. There we go. Excellent. And I can change the size of that and the angle of that. That looks pretty cool. I also want to change the background because I don't really like the pink background so much. To change the background, go up to Format, go to Background. Here you can change the color. You can have it be no color. You can have it be it looks like a purple, yellow. I'm going to go with a bluish color. And you can change the style right here by clicking on these. Okay. I actually like this pattern one. I'll go with that. That looks pretty cool. And that is how you change the background. Okay. So I'm going to continue working on my project. One thing to remember is we need to save our work when we're done. I've already saved as. I've already told Microsoft Publisher where I want to save this. So make sure you save as and you save to your student ID folder. If you have any questions, go ahead and raise your hand. I don't need to click save as again. I can just click save because I've already saved as. So I'm going to click save and now I can close. It's very important to save. I don't want to have to restart next time we meet for technology. Thank you very much and have fun on today's project.